Hey, what's going on? It's been a little bit since I give you any kind of updates on this food trailer and how it's coming along. We've been really working hard on it the last couple weeks and got a lot to show you. So without further ado, let's go inside and see what's all changed, see what's clean, and what all we still have to do. So let's go inside. Now, the first thing I want to mention is we did put up new lights. They're all new lighting in here now. As you remember, the lights used to just kind of hang by tie wraps and the wires. So I went out to Lowe's and I bought these LED lights right here, and there's one down there, and we have a little 2-foot one right here above the service counter, actually mounted in place now. So to me, that just looks a lot more professional, cleaner installation. Just overall looks better. Let's start down here at the griddle. As you see, last time you seen the griddle, it was like silver. We've actually seasoned it. This thing is slick as can be now and clean. Look at that. Well, that was already there. Don't look at that. The hood. If you remember way back, the hood was really, really nasty. It's really still clean, looking good. These burners here, we have a pan here, and just we're not sure what we're going to do with the pan, but we have it. We have our burners here. The fryer. Now that fryer was absolutely just disgusting how dirty it was down in there. And we went out and bought new fryer baskets here. So we have that now. The steam table, if you remember, we had pieces missing. There wasn't any lids, whatever. We went out, bought all new pans for the steam table, new lids. A lot of stuff has been upgraded, cleaned. I mean, look how clean this countertop is now. The warmer, we have some pans that we have stored in here right now. We're talking about getting some more of these trays right here that we can store breads or just whatever we need, because I don't think I'm gonna need this warmer that much. I really don't. Now on to the refrigerator. Last time you seen it, the racks wasn't in here. They're in here now. We're holding a good even temperature of 34 degrees, and it's clean. That's what we want. The freezer over here, all the racks are back in it now. As you see, they've been hiding some ice cream out here, so there is ice cream down there. So it's nice and clean, looking good. The seals are holding, everything's doing good. Now, so far, the thorn in my side has been the sandwich prep station. Everything else was nasty, it was dirty. Yes, it was a lot of work to clean, but the issue we've had with this sandwich station has been quite an issue, but I think we have it fixed now. Now, when we bought this food trailer, all this equipment came on the trailer along with this sandwich prep station, and it worked great. And then all of a sudden, I'm not working no more. It was blowing hot air. So luckily, I have a really good friend, The Retro Ben. He replaced the thermostat in it, got it back cooling now, and it's actually doing like it's supposed to do now. It's right at 34, 35 degrees in there. Doing great. And got it clean. Got one more little spot down there we gotta wipe out. We gotta wipe everything down one more good time. But yes, it's not bolted back in place. As you see, it rolls around, it moves around. We gotta bolt it back in still, but it's working. And I have to say, if you don't follow The Retro Ben on YouTube, on here, you need to, because that man can fix dang near anything. He saved me at least $1,500, maybe $2,000 for buying a brand new unit. He replaced the thermostat in it. Works great. Thank you, Ben. So we came through, wiped all this down. We still got some more, for like I say, final wiping. As you see, we got some spots right there. We got to come back through where some cleaner was sitting. The windows. Come in here, we scraped all the tape that was on the windows, all that kind of crud and crap that was on here. Got them really good and cleaned up. These were already here, the order here and the pickup here. So I left them there because that's what I need. But everything else we took off the window and didn't need it. The air curtain, had to come in here and clean it. It was really, really greasy, a lot of grease on top. Got it cleaned up, and it works really, really good. I mean, I know you can't see there, but it is really blowing. So we do have a really good air curtain right there. So when these screens are open right here, we can just have the air curtain on. Don't have to worry about the flies coming in. And the register I mentioned on the other on another video. I got a really good deal from a good friend who has a bunch of businesses. He had this sitting in his office, didn't no need for it no more, so he sold it to me. The iPad, I have a brand new iPad that goes in here from a register. I haven't set that up. I haven't took the iPad out of the box yet, so I need to get all that set up through Square and get all that done still. And on to this sink area. If you remember, the sink was in pretty bad shape because we used it a lot to clean, but it didn't have any of the labels, any of the markings on the sinks at all, and that is a DHEC requirement, so we got that done. And of course, there's still stuff down in here to sink. We got to clean up some cleaning supplies here and there. We took these racks out right here. Actually took them completely out and cleaned them, scrubbed them, put them back in place. And if you look closely, you can see a tie wrap. We tie wrapped each one. When you're going down the road, they might want to kind of jump around or whatever. Well, now they can't. They're actually tied into place. Went out and I got some signs here for employees must wash their hand. Got our hand washing sink. I have my retail license, ServSafe license, already mounted up on the walls, ready to go. A couple of things here for DHEC. My fire suppression system is due for another inspection, but right now, all of it is up to date. So yeah, a lot of work has been done to get it to this shape. If you've been following this along at all, I actually have a playlist of videos. You can see the cleaning we've done if you missed any of that. And this thing was nasty. I mean, it was just absolutely nasty. I'm trying to swap hands here. It was dirty. Really gross. I can't stress that enough. To see the transformation of how this thing is coming along now, even me seeing it daily, yeah, I'm amazed. Let's go outside. Now, as you've seen at the beginning of the video, the graphics are not on here, but the employees only, that's right here. That was already on the trailer, and we figured, hey, leave it there. The graphics, we do have something picked out. I'm not gonna show you yet because I want that to be a surprise, but we do have those coming soon. As you see, we got all our cleaning supplies sitting here in the yard. So we've been doing a lot of hard work on this. And y'all say hello to my niece, Emily, who has worked on a food trailer before, and she's really gonna be like my right-hand person to really guide me, help me out with this, because I'm new. Yeah. She's not. So say, hey, Emily.
Hey.
So you're gonna see a lot of her on this food truck, yeah. I hope.
Yeah.
And well, we'll see how this goes.
Yep, I think we can do it.
Think we can do it?
Yeah,
I hope so. But being I'm on this side of the trailer already, Emily's kind of walked off to the side over here. If you see, I do have floodlights up on either side of the service bay here, service door. So some graphics will go here. I'm planning on putting my phone number here. Maybe a menu board right here. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this area. And then maybe some graphics down here in this area. But there will be graphics here, phone number here, and possibly a menu board there. So that's our plan there. And on the front of the trailer, we are planning graphics. Yeah, so there's just a quick update of how this food trailer is coming along. I think it's doing really good. We're going this week. Matter of fact, as of the filming of this, today's the 27th to 28th. We're going this week to finalize the graphics, what's gonna go where, how we want them to look, everything else. Talk prices and get the ball rolling on that because I have to have all that done before I can get the health department's inspection and signed off on that. So that's where we're at now. Everything's clean, it's ready for the inspection except for the graphics. So that'll be another video about the graphics, and I hope you subscribed and you stay tuned because I like these graphics. I love what they came up with. I think you're gonna like it too. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this quick little tour of the food trailer update that I haven't done in a long time, and I'm sorry for that. I'm gonna try to get better on this. So stick with me and we'll have a lot of fun with this and hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.